Orage Technologies. Today, we are diving into the essential principles of on-page SEO, step by step, to help you optimize your website and boost your online visibility. On-page SEO is the foundation of any successful digital marketing strategy. It's all about optimizing individual web pages to rank higher and earn more relevant traffic in search engines. But where do you start? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. Step 1. Keyword research. It all begins with understanding what your audience is searching for. Conduct thorough keyword research to identify the terms and phrases your target audience is using to find businesses like yours. Tools like Google Keyword Planner and SEMrush can be invaluable for this task. Step 2. Content optimization. Once you have identified your target keywords, it's time to optimize your content. Ensure that your chosen keywords are strategically placed throughout your web page, including in the title, headings, meta description, and body content. But remember, always prioritize user experience and avoid keyword stuffing. Step 3. Meta tags and descriptions. Your meta tags, including the title tag and meta description, play a crucial role in how your page appears in search engine results. Craft compelling and descriptive meta tags that accurately represent the content on your page and entice users to click through. Step 4. URL structure. A clean and organized URL structure not only makes it easier for search engines to crawl and understand your site but also improve user experience. Keep your URLs short, descriptive, and keyword rich, and avoid using complex strings of numbers or symbols. Step 5. Internal linking. Internal linking is key to distributing link equity throughout your website and guiding users to relevant content. Incorporate strategic internal links within your content to help search engines navigate your site and improve the overall user experience. Step 6. Image optimization. Don't overlook the importance of optimizing your images for search engines. Use descriptive file names, alt tags, and captions to help search engines understand the content of your images and improve accessibility for users. Step 7. Mobile friendliness. In today's mobile first world, ensuring that your website is optimized for mobile devices is essential. Make sure your site is responsive and loads quickly on all devices to provide a seamless experience for all mobile users. Step 8. Page speed optimization. Page speed is a critical ranking factor and can significantly impact user experience. Optimize your website's performance by minimizing server response time, leveraging browser caching, and compressing images and files. By following these step-by-step principles of on-page SEO, you can effectively optimize your website for search engines and improve your chance of ranking higher in search results. Thank you for tuning in. Remember, when it comes to mastering digital marketing strategies, Orage Technologies is here to help you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable insights from our channel.